Hello students, welcome to Infinity Learn by Sri Chaitanya Education Institutions. I am Pradna, Mathematics faculty from Infinity Learn. Students, we are doing paper discussion of JEE Mains 2026 Session 1 examination. In that particularly I will discuss today 28th January Shift 1 paper. In particularly mathematics questions we will discuss. There are total 25 questions, first 20 multiple choice and then last 5 they are numerical type. We will discuss all solutions in detail one by one. Let's start. So let us take now first question. So it is a matrix question. So here they have given A, B, C. These are three 2 cross 2 matrices such that entries are real entries and B equal to I plus A whole inverse. At the same time A plus C is identity metric of order 2. Then you have if BC equals this metric of order 2, then you need to find x1 plus x2 where x1 x2 is a column metric and CB into x1 x2 is 12 minus 6 column metric. Now let us first use given information, students. You need to find this, right? So they have given what? B equals I plus A inverse. So you will get what? With the inverse metric definition, B into I plus A equals I plus A into B equals identity, right? Now again simplifying, you will get this to be B plus BA is identity and you will get I into B is B plus A into B is equals to identity. Next you have A plus C identity. So from there I can have A is equals identity minus C. I will substitute this value of A in this equation. Then I will get this to be what? B plus A is I minus C into B equals to I, right? So from here you will get this to be B plus B minus CB equals to I. So this is nothing but 2B minus I equals to CB. This is one more relation we got in terms of CB where you need to find CB into column metric x1, x2. Now let us start with a 2 cross 2 metric that they have given in detail. First I will simplify for BC, students. See, I can write BC as B into, what is C? I minus A, because I plus C. They have given A plus C is I, right? So this is nothing but B into I minus B into A, which is nothing but B minus. What is BA? BA from here, it is I minus B, which is nothing but 2 times B minus I, right? And 2B minus I from here, it is nothing but CB. So actually you are getting BC is same as CB. So here say you need to find what? CB x1 x2 and it is nothing but metric 12 minus 6. So from here what you will get? If you are finding column metric x1 x2, then it is nothing but CB inverse into a column metric 12 minus 6. CB is same as BC. So inverse means this is 1 minus 5 minus 1 2 whole inverse and this is 12 minus 6. And if you calculate this, this is nothing but what? 1 upon determinant. Determinant means 2 minus 5 minus 3. Swipe up, change the sign into 12 minus 6. Right? If you multiply, you will get answer to be 2 and minus 2. Comparing, you will get x1 as what? 2, x2 as minus 2. So x1 plus x2 will become 2 plus minus 2, which is nothing but 0. So answer for this question is 0, students. In this way you can approach for these type of questions. Now let us take, students, second question. In the second question they have given the mean and variance of 10 observations are 9 and 34.2 respectively. If 8 of these observations are 2, 3, 5, 10, 11, 13, 15, 21, then the mean deviation about the median of these 10 observations will be what? So they have given 8 observations. Let the other 2 observations be A, B, right? Say what is the mean Mean will be what? Sum of all by how many they are. So if you do, you will get 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 10 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 21 plus A plus B divided by 10 equals to 9, means equals to 90. So from here you will get A plus B as 90 minus 80, which is nothing but 10. Then by variance, what you will get? Variance means summation xi square equals to n into the bracket sigma square plus x bar square. So from here you will get, if you do square sum of all of them, all the 8 observations they have given, you will get answer to be 1094 plus a square plus b square equals to 10 into, they have given variance as what? 34.2 plus x bar means mean, which is nothing but what? They have given it as 9. So 9 square 81, and this is nothing but students 1152. So from here you will get a square plus b square as 1152 minus 1094, which is nothing but what? 12 minus 4 8, 5 minus 10, and then you will get 0. So you are getting a square plus b square as 58. You know a plus b, you know a square plus b square. Use the algebraic identity a plus b whole square as a square plus b square plus 2ab. From there you will get a into b to be 21. Two numbers whose multiplication is 21, addition is 10, means those numbers are what? A is 7 and b is 10. Right? A is 7 and b is 3. 7 into 3 21, 7 plus 3 is 10. So those numbers are 7 and 3. Okay. Now we need to find mean deviation about median. So first we need to find what is median. Let us find the median. So arrange all the numbers. So you will get first 2, then 3, then b is 3, then you have 5, then 7, because a is 7, then 10, 11, 13, 15, and then 21. Right? So there are 10 numbers. So you need to go for median finding, right? So leave this 4, leave this 4. So what will be the median capital M? It will be 7 plus 10 by 2, which is nothing but 8.5. Then mean deviation about this median is given by capital. We can write mean deviation itself. So mean deviation, it is nothing but students summation modulus I xi minus capital M divided by n. N is 10. This is nothing but you will get 50 upon 10, which is nothing but 5. So in this way you can approach for this question. Here correct answer is 5. Option 4 is correct. Now let us take students question number 3. So here they have given y equal x be the equation of a chord of circle 1. In the closed half plane given is x greater than or equal to 0 of diameter 10 passing through origin. Let say to be another circle described on the given chord as its diameter if the equation of the chord of the circle 2 passes through the point 2, 3 and farthest from the center of C2 is x plus ay plus b equal to 0. Then they are asking what is the possible value of a minus b. So here say if you consider your circle C1, it will be of the type x minus 5 whole square plus y square equals 25. Diameter will be 10, and then C2 it will be x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus 5 by 2 whole square, it is equals to 25 upon 4. Right? Now they have given you have a point 2, 3, right, and the chord passes through the circle C2, again it passes through 2, 3. So what we will do, let us consider point Q to be 2, 3 and point P to be center of the circle. Then you can find slope. What will be the slope PQ? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It will be minus 1. You know slope, you know point passing 2, 3. you can find equation of a chord, right, by slope point form of a line. You will get it to be y minus x plus 1 equals 0. And then if you compare, you will get a and b value, and hence you will get a minus b as minus 2. So here answer is minus 2, students. In this way you can approach for this question. Let us take, students, now question number 3. Here they have given y equal x be the equation of chord of circle C1 in the closed half, which is x greater than or equal to 0, of a diameter 10 passing through origin. Let C2 be another circle described in the given chord as its diameter. If the equation of the chord of the circle C2 passes through the point 2, 3 and is farthest from the center C2, it is of the type x plus ay plus b, then you need to find a minus b. So here see, your circle C1 will be of the form x minus 5 square plus y square equals to 25. Circle C2 will be of the type x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus y minus 5 by 2 whole square equals to 25 upon 4. Right? Let P be a point which is center of circle C2, and let Q be a point 2, 3. Then what will be the slope PQ? Slope PQ will be minus 1 by y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 form. Then, students, you can find chord equation, right? Because you know slope, you know point, you will get chord equation to be x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Comparing a and b value from here, you will get a minus b equals minus 2. And this is the answer, students. In this way you can approach for this type of questions, right? Now let us take, students, question number 4. In question number 4, they have given you have 3 unit vectors a bar, b bar and c bar, so that modulus a minus b whole square plus modulus b minus c whole square plus modulus c minus a whole square equals 9. Means they have given, see, modulus a minus b whole square means modulus a square plus modulus b square minus 2 times a bar dot b bar, right? So here modulus a square modulus b square will be 1 and 1. Similarly, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3 times means 6. Minus you will get 2 into the bracket a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar equals 9. And from here you will get a bar dot b bar plus b bar dot c bar plus c bar dot a bar as minus 3 by 2. Next, they have given modulus of 2a bar plus k times b bar plus k times c bar, which is nothing but modulus of 2a bar plus k into the bracket b bar plus c bar, which is nothing but what? Modulus of 2a bar, b bar plus c bar will be minus a bar, so it is minus k times a bar, which is nothing but modulus of 2 minus k into modulus of a bar. Modulus of a bar is 1 as it is a unit vector. So you are getting modulus of 2 minus k equals, they have given this value as 3, implies you will get 2 minus k as plus or minus 3. Right? Now you separately find what are the possible values. So you will get, see, 2 minus k as 3 and then minus 3. So you will get 2 minus 3 and 2 plus 3 as k. So minus 1 and 5 are the possible values of k. But they are asking what? Positive value of k. So minus 1 rejected, 5 included. Answer is 5. So here option 2 is correct. In this way you can approach for this question. Now, students, let us go for question number 5. So in question number 5, we need to find value of this series. So what we will do? You have, see, summation minus 1 power k plus 1 into the bracket k plus 1 upon k factorial. So this will be summation k from 1 to infinity minus 1 power k plus 1 into, I can write k plus 1 as k into k minus 1 plus 2k whole divided by k factorial. It is nothing but summation k from 1 to infinity minus 1 power k plus 1 divided by k minus 2 factorial plus 2 times summation k from 1 to infinity 1 upon k minus 1 factorial. This is nothing but minus e power minus 1 plus 2 times this sum is nothing but e power minus 1, right? Because here also you have minus 1 power k plus 1. So alternative sign means it is e power minus 1. So it is nothing but e power minus 1, which is nothing but 1 upon e. That's why here option 4 is correct, right? So in this way you can adjust this term and you will get this splitting. This is nothing but minus e power minus 1, this is nothing but plus e power minus 1, sum is 1 upon e. In this way you can approach. Now let us do students question number 6. In question number 6, you have 9 numbers 1 to 9 and it contained by set S. X be number of 9 digit numbers formed using digits of the set S, and only one digit is repeated and it is repeated exactly twice. Y be the number of 9 digit numbers formed using digits of the set S such that only 2 digits are repeated of this such that they are repeated exactly twice. So say students how to calculate that x and y. In x and y 2 digits has to be repeated, right, and exactly twice. So here see, you have total 9 digits, right? So x means out of 9 I will choose 1 and that will be my 1 pair. Like suppose if I choose 2, it's like 2 comma 2. Then I have taken 2 out, so remaining possibilities I have 8, right? So I have made already 2 numbers in my whole 9 digit number, so remaining are 7. So now 9 factorial upon 2 factorial, because 9c1 2 pairs same type. Next y will be, now here I will choose 2. So here I am having 2 pairs, right, means 4 places done. I have to fill now 5 places, which is nothing but 7c5 9 factorial by 2 distinct pairs, right, 2 2 3 3. So divide by 2 factorial 2 factorial. So from here you will get x upon y as 4 upon 21 up to solving the factorial, and from here you will get 21x as 4y. So you have option 2 as correct. So in this way you can approach for this type of questions. Students, now let us take question number 7, and here they have given a bag contains 10 balls out of which k are red and 10 minus k are black balls, where 0 less than equal to k less than equal to 10. If 3 balls are drawn at a random without replacement and all of them are found to be black, then probability that bag contains 1 red and 9 black balls. So it is from conditional probability, probability of getting 1 red ball and 9 black balls, given that 3 black balls are already there. So by this conditional probability we will get the answer to be 9 upon 10 into 8 upon 9 into 7 upon 8 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 3 summation RC3, R is from 3 to 10. This is nothing but 84 divided by 3C3, 4C3, 5C3, so on up to 10C3. So it is nothing but 84 upon 11C4. And if you calculate this, you will get answer to be 14 upon 55. So you have here option 1 as the correct answer. In this way you can calculate your conditional probability. Now let us take students question number 8. In question number 8 you have, let ABC be equilateral triangle with orthocenter at the origin and side BC on the line x plus 2 root 2y equals 4. If the coordinates of the vertex A are alpha comma beta, then you need to find greatest integer less than or equal to of the point alpha plus root 2 times beta. So here see, we have, first if we find perpendicular distance of origin from line BC, it will be equals to 4 upon under root of modulus of minus 4 under root of 1 square plus 2 root 2 square means 9, which is nothing but 2 by obviously 4 by 3. Now if you calculate OA, then OA will be what? Twice of 4 by 3, which is nothing but 8 by 3. Now let us consider point A. Point 8 will be minus 8 by 3 cos theta, comma minus 8 by 3 sin theta. So it is nothing but what? A as minus 8 by 3 into 2 root 2 by 3, comma minus 8 by 3, comma 1 by 3. Okay, this is the multiplication and it is nothing but point alpha comma beta. So corresponding value alpha is what? Minus 16 root 2 by 9 and beta is minus 8 upon 9. Now you find greatest integer function alpha plus root 2 times beta. You will get answer as 3 students. So here option 4 is correct. So in this way you can approach for this question. Now let us take students question number 9. So here they have given you have alpha and beta where alpha less than beta, so they are real numbers. Are the roots of the equation lambda x square minus in the bracket lambda plus 3 times x plus 3 equal to 0 such that 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta is 1 upon 3. Then they are asking what are the possible values of lambda. Their sum they are asking. So here you have this, right? So this implies you have beta minus alpha upon alpha plus alpha into beta as 1 by 3. The same expression I can rewrite as under root of alpha minus beta, okay, or we can consider alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 times alpha beta divided by alpha into beta as 1 upon 3. It is nothing but under root alpha minus beta whole square, which is nothing but alpha minus beta or beta minus alpha, it is also fine. So see here, yeah, because alpha greater than beta you will get root beta minus alpha whole square as beta minus alpha because root has to be positive. Yeah, so see you have here a quadratic equation, right, and its roots are alpha and beta. So you can find alpha plus beta and alpha minus beta. What you will get? Alpha plus beta as lambda plus 3 upon lambda, and you will get alpha into beta as 3 upon lambda. You substitute here, you will get under root of lambda plus 3 upon lambda square minus 4 times alpha into beta is 3 upon lambda divided by alpha into beta 3 upon lambda. It is equals to 1 upon 3, right. So from here what will happen? This 3 and this 3 will get cancelled, and this 1 upon lambda means it is in the multiplication itself, denominator denominator. So from here you will get lambda into under root of lambda plus 3 upon lambda whole square minus 12 upon lambda equals 1. Squaring on both the side, students, you will get a quadratic equation because this lambda will cut and you will get it as lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 8 equals to 0. So from here what is sum of possible values of lambda? 2 roots you will get and sum will be minus of minus 6 upon 1 plus 6. So answer will be 6. So here you have option 4 as correct answer. In this way you can try these type of questions. Now let us take students question number 10. So here you have, see, the question given is if integration of 1 minus 5 times cos square x upon sin power 5x into cos square x dx is of the type fx plus c, where c is constant of integration, then you are asking f of 5 by 6 minus f of 5 by 4 will be equal to what? So now we will try this question. See students, here you have, if I rewrite this as integration 1 upon sin power 5x into cos square x into dx minus integration of 5 is constant cos square x upon sin power 5x into cos square x into dx. This cos square will get cancelled, and here this is nothing but integration sec square x upon sin power 5x dx minus 5 times integration 1 upon sin power 5x dx. Now I will integrate this by parts for integration. Integrable function is sec square and differentiable function is sin power 5 1 upon. So it will be what? Parts for integration. Integration of sec square is tan x 1 upon sin power 5x remain as it is minus integration of sec square is tan x derivative. Already you have here minus 5, right? Minus 5 is there here. It is there for the next integration, no issue. So now what? We have integrable function. Let us differentiate. 1 upon sin power 5x means sin x power minus 5. So this will become what? Minus 5 into sin x power minus 5 minus 1 means sin x power minus 6 means sin power 6x into derivative of sin is cos x into dx minus 5 times integration 1 upon sin power 5x dx. Now see, tan x means sin x upon cos x. So sin x upon cos x means what will happen? Cos x with that cos x will get cancelled. I can rewrite this. So these two will get cancelled, and sin upon sin power 6 means sin power 5. So this is nothing but you have tan of x upon sin power 5x minus minus plus 5 times integration 1 upon sin power 5x dx plus, this is plus minus minus. So it is minus 5 times integration 1 upon sin power 5x dx and constant of integration c we can add. So these two will get cancelled. So fx is what? Tan x upon sin power 5x. Now you can calculate what is f of pi by 6 minus f of pi by 4. These are standard angles. So solving is easy. You will get the answer as this: 4 by root 3 into the bracket 8 minus root 6. So in this way, using parts for integration, you can solve these type of questions. In question number 11, you have capital S is a set containing cubic polynomials of the type x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c, where abc are natural numbers and abc are less than or equal to 20. Be a set of all the cubic polynomials, then the number of polynomials in S which are divisible by x square plus 2, that we need to find. So here I will write polynomial x cube plus ax square plus bx plus c, as I want it should be divisible by 3, right? Divisible by x square plus 2. So one of the factor has to be x square plus 2. The next possible factor will be px plus q. So this will be equals to px cube plus qx square plus 2px plus 2q. Comparing coefficients, we will get p equals 1, then we will get a is equals q, you will get b equals 2p, and then you will get c equals 2q. So now you can substitute the respective values. See, p equal 1, right? If p equal 1, I will get b as 2 fixed value, and then you have a equals q. A equals q implies I can write c as 2a because q equals a. Now in your polynomial, variables are a comma b comma c. So it will be of the type then what? A, then 2 and then 2a. No condition on b. So now you want a and 2a, but a and 2a in a way 1 less than or equal to a comma 2a less than or equal to 20. So such a possible values are what? Then you can consider it as 1 less than or equals a less than or equals 10. Then only at the same time you will get a and 2a lies in the range 1 to 20 and they are natural numbers. So how many a's you have? 10 a's. So how many such a possible polynomials you have? 10. So answer is 10, and hence your option 4 is correct. In this way you can approach for this type of question, students. Now let us take, students, question number 12. In question number 12, you have y equal yx be the solution of the given differential equation and satisfying y of 2 equals 0. Then you need to find what is tan of y of 1. Okay, this is the question. So see, here you have differential equation as x into dy by dx minus sin 2y equals to x cube 2 minus x cube into cos square y. So see, if I divide throughout by x into cos square y, you multiply this equation by 1 upon x square, or see here I don't want this x, so that I can convert this to linear differential equation. So I will divide by x into cos square y, so that in RHS I have only function of x, and sec square y dy by dx means I can reduce it. So if I divide, I will get differential equation as sec square y into dy upon dx plus minus 2 times tan y upon x equals to x square into 2 minus x cube. Now you go for substitution, you substitute tan y as t. So if tan y as t implies you will get sec square y dy upon dx as dt upon dx. Then your differential equation will become a standard linear differential equation dt upon dx plus minus 2 upon x times t equals x square into 2 minus x cube. Right? So now you calculate integrating factor. Integrating factor will be e to the power minus 2 times integration 1 upon x dx. It is nothing but e to the power minus 2 ln x. It is nothing but x power minus 2, which is nothing but 1 upon x square. Then what will be the solution? Solution will be t into integrating factor. It is equals to integration of integrating factor into cube. 1 upon x square will get cancelled. This is 2 minus x cube into dx, right, plus constant of integration c. So from here you will get t upon x square as 2x minus x power 4 upon 4 plus constant of integration c. Now you substitute value of t, which is nothing but tan y. Now you apply initial condition. Initial condition is y of 2 equals 0. So you substitute if x is 2 and y is 0, then you will get c as 0, students. You please substitute x equal to y equals 0. Then you will get corresponding c 0. So you can remove this c. Now you find at x equal to 1 what is the value. That is simple now. So substitute what will be tan at y at 1, means at x equal to 1 what is the value. This is 1 square, no problem. This is 2 minus 1 upon 4, which is nothing but 7 upon 4. So here option 2 is correct, right. So in this way you can approach for this question. Yes students, now let us take question number 13. So here you need to find area of region. Region is given by x into y less than or equal to 8, 1 less than or equal to y less than or equal to x square, and x greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0 means above x axis, right. So let us see. So here if I draw, here you have, see, you have y as 1 and y as x square. Y as x square means you have a standard parabola which is passing through origin, right. Vertex is there at origin. Then you have y equal 1. Y equals 1 means this. This is y equals 1 and this is your y equals x square. And then you have here x into y equals 8, means you will get this term. This is x into y equal 8. Okay. So see students, x into y less than or equal to 8 means this portion, and you have y less than or equal x square means this portion, and you have y greater than or equal 1 means this portion. So this triangle area we need to find. Now if you find intersection, common solution for y equal 1 and y equal x square, you will get point 1 comma 1. So here you have x equal 1. Then if you find common solution for x into y equal 8, okay, and then y equal x square, you will get common solution for this, that is 2 comma 4. So this point is x equal 2. And if you find common solution for y equal 1 and x into y equal 8, you will get x equal 8. Obviously, because y is 1, right? So this is the reason we need to find. So you have two splittings, right? So area will be given by integration x from 1 to 2, 1 to 2 dominated by x square and then 1. Plus integration from 2 to 8. It is dominated by what? X into y equal 8, right? Now I have to write y equal fx, so it will become 8 by x minus 1 times dx. Simple integration. If you solve this, you will get answer as 2 by 3, 24 log 2 minus 7. So students, here option 3 is correct, right? So in this way you can calculate your area under the given region. Now let us take students question number 14. So here they have given, you have a function gx as 3x square plus 2x minus 3, f of 0 being minus 3, and 4 times g of f of x as 3x square minus 32x plus 72. Then you need to find what is f of g of 2. So we know what is function gx clearly. So let us find first what is g of 2. It will be 2 square 4 into 3, 12, plus 2 into 2, 4, minus 3, 16 minus 3, 13. Now what you need to find? F of g of 2, which is nothing but f of 13. This is your goal, to find f of 13. Now they have given you some relation. So here you need to find 4 of g of fx. It is equal given as 3x square minus 32x plus 72. Okay. Now what is g of fx? You know gx as 3x square minus 32x plus 72. They have given gx, right? This is g of fx as a composition function. In particular, what is gx? 3x square plus 2x minus 3. So now I will replace at the place of x fx. So I will get 4 into g of fx will be 3 into fx square, then plus 2 into fx, then I will get minus 3. It is equals 3x square minus 32x plus 72. Now I will substitute x as what we need to find? F of 13. So let us substitute x as 13. So this will become 12 into f of 13 square plus 4 into 2, 8, f of 13, and then you will get 4 into minus 3 minus 6 equals to 13 square 169 minus 32 into 13 plus 72. So this will give you 12 times f of 13 square plus 8 times f of 13 minus 175 as 0. And then from here, this is a quadratic equation. You can find f of 13 directly using a formula, which is nothing but either 7 by 2 or minus 5 by 4. You will get two roots. So for a quadratic equation, if you compare the option, answer will be option 3, 7 by 2. So in this way you can approach for this question. Students, let us do question number 14. Here they have given, if gx is 3x square plus 2x minus 3, f of 0 is minus 3 and 4 times g of fx is 3x square minus 32x plus 72. Then they are asking what is f of g of 2. So first I will find g of 2. G of 2 is 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 3. It is nothing but 12 plus 4, 16 minus 3, 13. Now I need to find f of g of 2, which is nothing but f of 13. Okay, so my goal is to find f of 13. They have given one more information is that 4 times g of fx as 3x square minus 32x plus 72. So what is g of fx? I know gx as 3x square plus 2x minus 3. Replace x by fx. So you will get this to be 3 times fx whole square plus 2 times fx minus 3. It is equals to 3x square minus 32x plus 72. So now let us substitute x as 13 because we need to find f of 13. So it will be 12 times f of 13 square plus 8 times f of 13 minus 4 into 3 12 equals to 3 into 169 minus 32 into 13 plus 72. This will give you a quadratic equation 12 times f of 13 square plus 8 times f of 13 minus 175 as here. As it is a quadratic equation, we can directly find roots. From here you will get f of 13 as 7 by 2 and minus 15 by 4. So answer will be, here you have in option 7 by 2, hence option 3 is correct. So in this way you can deal with this type of questions. Now let us do students question number 15. So here they have given common difference of the AP A1 A2 up to AM is 13 times more than common difference of AP B1 B2 so on up to Bn. B31 minus 277, B43 minus 385, A78 327, then please find what is the value of A1. So what I will consider, let common difference for this be DA and for this AP be DB. Right. So see here with respect to B, if I consider B43 minus B31, B43 means B1 plus 42 times DB minus B31 means B1 plus 30 dB. So minus B1 minus 30 dB. It is equals to minus 385 minus minus plus 277. So from here see B1 will get cancelled. You will get 12 times dB as 108 with the negative sign, and then you will get from here dB as minus 9. What is dA? 13 times more than dB. So you will get dA as minus 9 plus 13, which is nothing but 4. Now you please calculate what is A1, means first term. So A1 means what? I can calculate as A78 I have, right? A78 minus 77 times dA. It is nothing but A1. So A78 you have as 327 minus 77 into 4. If you do this, you will get answer as 19. So here you have option 1 as correct. So in this way you can do these type of questions. Now let us take students question number 16. Here you need to find limit for this function. So you have limit x approaches to 0 log of sec ex into sec e square x so on up to sec e power 10x divided by e square minus e power 2 times cos 2x. So this is a 0 by 0 form, right? So what we will do? First we will apply log property, because if we go for directly to L'Hopital, first numerator differentiation will become very complicated. So let us first apply log property. So this is limit x approaches to 0, first log sec ex plus log sec e square x plus and so on up to plus log sec e power 10x. Okay, whole divided by. Then standard limit adjustment. Here I am having constant e. So what is the process? Take e power 2 cos x common. So that I will get here e power 2 minus 2 cos x minus 1. So what I want? Limit a power u minus 1 upon u approaches to 0 is ln e, which is 1, right? So this is nothing but I want here power 2 minus 2 cos x. So adjust it with 2 minus 2 cos x, and then you have divided by, see here I am having 2 minus 2 cos x. So what I will do? I will divide by x square and then I will multiply by x square, because this is nothing but what? 2 is common, 1 minus cos x upon x square as x approaches to 0, limit is half. 1 minus cos x upon x square limit is half, into 2 is 1. So in total, if you find this limit is 1, this limit is ln e, again it is 1. And if you find limit of this, e power 2 cos 0 is 1, so it is e power 2. So now 1 upon e square, limit x approaches to 0, log of sec ex plus log of sec e square x plus and so on up to plus log of sec of e power 10 x whole divided by we have x square. Now this is 0 by 0 form. Now I will go for applying L'Hopital. If you apply L'Hopital, this is 1 upon e square, limit x approaches to 0. Derivative of log of sec x will be what? See, derivative of log of sec x will be 1 upon sec x into sec x tan x. Sec x cancels, answer is tan x. So it will be tan of ex into e students, right? Then here e square into tan of e square x plus and so on up to plus e power 10 into tan of e power 10x divided by 2x. So I will write x, I will take 2 here. Now see here I am having tan ex upon x. So divided by I am having x, right? So what I want here? Ex. So I will have to multiply extra e. Then here I want ex. Here angle is e square x, right? So here I want e square x. So e square means e power 4. Here I want e power 10x. So e power 10, e power 10, e power 20. So this limit will be what? This is 1 upon 2 times e square into the bracket e square, limit tan theta upon theta. Theta approaches to 0 is 1. So here again same e power 4, e power 6, so on up to e power 20. Now this is finite GP. We need to find sum of this finite GP. This is half e square, first term e square, common ratio e square, total number of the terms 10, e square power 10, e power 20 minus 1 upon e square minus 1. E square get cancelled. So you will get answer as 1 by 2 e power 20 minus 1 divided by e square minus 1. Okay, so here you have option 4 as a correct answer. So in this way you can approach for this question. Now let us do students question number 17. So here you have tan of a minus b upon tan a plus sin square c upon sin square a equals 1, where a, b, c are in the first quadrant. Then you need to find the terms are in GP or in AP and in which of the order, considering terms are tan e, tan b, tan c. So here first of all tan of a minus b, I can write it as tan of a minus tan of b whole divided by 1 plus tan of a into tan of b. Then you have extra tan of a in the denominator. Now see, if I am having sin square c, I can write it as 1 upon 1 plus cot square c, because 1 plus cot square c is cosec square c, and this is 1 upon cosec square c means sin square c, and then 1 upon sin square a means 1 plus cot square a. Now let us substitute. To make it very easy, let us substitute tan of a as x, tan of b as y and tan of c as z. Then this will become x minus y divided by x into the bracket 1 plus x into y. It is equals to 1 plus 1 upon x square divided by 1 plus 1 upon z square. Right? So from here you will get, this is nothing but x minus y divided by x into 1 plus xy. So you have this plus equal to 1, right? So actually you have this plus equals 1. Yeah, implies you will get x minus y upon x into 1 plus xy plus, this is nothing but you will get x square plus 1 divided by x square and 1 plus z square upon z square. So z square will come here, x square will come here, equals to 1. Again you please simplify. So if you take LCM, you will get LCM as x square into 1 plus xy into 1 plus z square. Okay, so here you will have to multiply. This will be x into x minus y into 1 plus z square. Then here it is plus, already x square is there, 1 plus z square is there, so it will be z square into 1 plus x square into this, have to multiply 1 plus xy. It is equals to 1. Now again if you simplify this, from here you will get one equation. That equation will be x into x minus y into 1 plus z square plus z square into 1 plus x square into 1 plus xy. It is equals to z square into 1 plus xy into 1 plus z square. Now if you simplify this, you will get answer as tan square c equals tan a into tan b. Actually you will get simply z square as x into y. Okay, if you simplify this, multiply, cut the terms, all the terms will get cut. You will get just z square as xy. You will get tan square c as tan a into tan b. Means tan c is a middle term, tan a, tan c, tan b are in GP. So answer is option 4 here. In this way you can approach for this question. Let us take students now question number 18. So here they have given, you have z is a complex number such that modulus z minus 6 is 5 and modulus of z plus 2 minus 6i equals to 5. Then the value of z cube plus 2z 3z square minus 15z plus 141 equals to what? That you need to find. So here see you have first z minus 6 means center is 6, 0, radius is 5 and these two circles are touching externally students. Okay, second circle center is minus 2, plus 6 and the radius is again 5. So midpoint is what? If you consider the midpoint of C1, C2, that is the z, they are saying z is midpoint of line joining two centers C1 and C2. So if you calculate that midpoint, it will be 6 minus 2, 4 by 2, 2 and then 0 plus 6, 6 by 2, 3. So your z is what? Your z is 2 plus 3i. So from here I will get z minus 2 equals 3i. Squaring on both the sides, you will get z square minus 4z plus 4. 3i whole square minus 9. So it is plus 9 equals 0. So from here you will get z square minus 4z plus 13 equals 0. Now they have given one equation, cubic equation, z cube plus 3z square minus 15z plus 141. I can write this as z cube plus 3z square minus 15z plus 91 plus 50. So it is nothing but what? Z plus 7 into z square minus 4z plus 13 plus 50. So z square minus 4z plus 13 is 0 from equation number 1, right? So this is nothing but z plus 7 into 0, 0 plus 50. So in total the answer will be 50 here. So here option 3 is correct, students. In this way you can do these type of questions. Now let us do, students, question number 19. So see, here they have given the distance of the point P of 1, 2, A from the line L, okay, which is x minus 1 upon 1 equal y upon 2 equal z minus 1 upon 1. Let this be line capital L. It has direction ratios 1, 2, 1. Along the line L1, okay, suppose the line L1, so we need to draw a parallel line to L1. Let this be the point. So now you need to find PQ. So direction ratios of PQ will be 3, 4, B. And then again along the line L2, let it be this with PR. Then direction ratios of PR will be 1, 4, C. They are equal, means they have given PQ is same as PR, means P square Q is same as BR square. Then you need to find what is A plus B plus C. Now let us do this question. So what we will do, see, we know that Q and R are any general points on your line L. So let us first find the general points. So I will do, this is equal to T. So from here Q or R, it will be equal to what? 1 into 2 plus 1, so T plus 1, then 2T, and then you will get again 1 plus T, right? Now let us find direction ratios of PQ, which is nothing but vector Q minus vector P, right? So you have vector P as 1, 2, A and vector Q as T plus 1, 2T, T plus 1. So it will become T plus 1 minus 1 T, then 2T minus 2, and then 1 plus T minus A, right? Now what we know, students? We know that, see, this PQ is parallel to a vector B, means what? A vector B which is having direction ratios 3, 4, B, means this vector PQ is parallel to line L1. So line L1 means what? It will be parallel to a vector of its direction ratio is 3, 4, B. So you have PQ is parallel to a vector B whose direction ratios are 3, 4, B. So from here they will be proportional. So from here you will get T upon 3, it is equals to 2T minus 2 upon 4, it is equals to 1 plus T minus A upon B. Okay, so next you will get, if you solve this, you will get 4 times T as 6 times T minus 6, right? Then you will get 6 as 2T. So from here you will get T as 3. Okay, we got T as 3, and if T is 3, then you will get this as what? 3 upon 3, 1. It is equals to, this is 1 plus 3, 4 minus A upon B. Okay, so from here you will get B into 1, B equal 4 minus A. So you will get A plus B as 4. Yes, so we got these relations. Now let us apply the same logic to calculate for second line as well. So as T is 3, we know point Q, right? So you will get point Q. Here you substitute T as 3. So if you substitute T as 3, you will get this as 3 plus 1, 4, then 3 into 2, 6, and then you will get again 3 plus 1, 4. Now let us find for same process for your R. So let us find what is PR. See, PQ and PR will be same. Then you have PQ is same as PR, because we have considered Q and R central point. It differ in T value. So now what we know is that this PR will be parallel to 1, 4, C. So then I will get what? T upon 1, it is equals to 2T minus 2 upon 4, it is equals to 1 plus T minus A upon C. Right? If you solve these two, you will get T as minus 1. If T is minus 1, you will get this to be what? 1 minus 1, 0 minus A upon C. You will get it as students minus 1, and you will get then A as C. Okay, so you got A as C, you got A plus B as 4, and then if you want to find R, you are getting T as minus 1. So here you substitute T as minus 1, you will get point R. So you will get R as what? Minus 1 plus 1, 0, then minus 2, and then you will get 1 minus 1, 0. So now you have Q, you have R. Then see, 4, 6, 4 is point Q, 0 minus 2, 0 is point R. Point P is 1, 2, A. Now if you apply the distance formula, what you will get? PQ square means you will get 4 minus 1 whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus A whole square equals to 0 minus 1 whole square minus 2 means minus 4 whole square plus 0 minus A whole square. From there you can find the value of A. You will get value of A as 3. Okay, if you solve that, you will get A equal 3 and hence C equal 3, because A is same as C, and then you have A plus B as 4. So what will be A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C, we know A plus B is 4 and C is 3. So answer will be 7. Okay, so in this way you can approach for this question. Now let us do students question number 20. So here you have f be a polynomial function such that f of x square plus 1 as x power 4 plus 5x square plus 2 for all real number x. Then you need to find integral 0 to 3 fx dx is what. So now I want function value at a single variable. So I will substitute x square plus 1 as t, and from here I will get x square as t minus 1. Right? So now you have f of x square plus 1 as x square plus 5 into x square plus 2. So this is nothing but f of t as x square is t minus 1. This is t minus 1 whole square plus 5 into t minus 1 plus 2. So this is nothing but t square minus 2t plus 1 plus 5t minus 5 plus 2. So this is nothing but you have t square, then 5t minus 5t. So here you have t square minus 2t plus 1 plus 5t minus 5 plus 2. So 5t minus 2t means plus 3t. And then you have 1 plus 2, 3 minus 5 minus 2. Right? So you got f of t as. So now integral 0 to 3 fx dx is nothing but integration 0 to 3. What is fx? X square plus 3x minus 2 dx. Simple integration. If you do, you will get answer as 33 by 2. That's why here option 1 is correct. Okay. Now, if you take question number 21, actually here this question is incomplete and you need some additional information for doing this question. Okay. So yeah, it is incorrect question. You all will get bonus mark for this question. So no need of worrying for this question, right? Now let us take students question number 22. So here you have k be tan of pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 times cos inverse of 2 by 3 plus tan of 1 by 2 times sin inverse 2 by 3. Then number of solutions of the equation sin inverse of kx minus 1 equals sin inverse x minus cos inverse x is how many? They are asking. So here what I will do, let us assume k be tan of theta plus cot of theta, right? It is nothing but 1 upon sin theta into cos theta, because sin square plus cos square will become 1 in the numerator. This is nothing but what? 2 upon sin 2 theta. Where students see, we have considered theta as 1 upon 2 times sin inverse of 2 upon 3. So what you will get? You will get k as 2 upon. You will get from here what? Sin 2 theta as, see, you will get 2 theta as sin inverse 2 by 3. So sin 2 theta as 2 by 3. So it is nothing but 3. So now your equation will become, k is 3, right? So it is sin inverse of kx minus 1 is 3x minus 1 equals to sin inverse of x minus cos inverse of x. So then this will become sin inverse of 3x minus 1 as, what is sin inverse x? Pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. So pi by 2 minus cos inverse x minus cos inverse x means minus 2 times cos inverse x. So from here you will get 3x minus 1 as sin of pi by 2 minus 2 times cos inverse x. What is sin of pi by 2 minus x? Cos x. So you will get 3x minus 1 equals to cos of 2 times cos inverse x. So now if you simplify, you will get this as 3x minus 1 equals to 2x square minus 1. You will get a quadratic equation and the roots will be x as 3 by 2 and 0. But if you take x is 3 by 2, see, sin inverse 3 by 2 is not defined, right? So this is rejected. So only x equal to 0 accepted. So how many solutions? Only one real solution you will get. So answer will be 1 here, right? So in this way you can try for this question. Now let us take students question number 23. So here you have, in a GP, product of first 3 terms is 27 and set of all possible values of sum of first 3 terms is r minus open interval a comma b. Then they are asking what is the value of a square plus b square. Now I will consider those 3 terms to be obviously a upon r, a and ar. Product is 27. So what you have? Its product will be a cube, right? Which is 27 means 3 cube. Implies you have a as 3. What will be sum of these 3 terms? A upon r plus a plus ar. A is common. So you will get it as 1 plus r plus 1 upon r. This is the sum. And you need to find where it lies, the range. So this is nothing but, you know, a, then you have 1 plus r plus 1 upon r. X plus 1 upon x is a famous function, right? You know, suppose r less than 0, r plus 1 upon r, it will be less than or equal minus 2. If r greater than 0, you will get r plus 1 upon r greater than or equal to. So the range for the function r plus 1 upon r belongs to minus infinity minus 2 union 2 to infinity. Now I want 1. So add 1. 1 plus r plus 1 upon r belongs to minus infinity minus 2 plus 1 union 2 plus 1 infinity. Now 3 is multiplied. So you will get 3 into 1 plus r plus 1 upon r. It belongs to minus infinity minus 3 union 9 to infinity. That means what? That means you will get 3 into 1 plus r plus 1 upon r. It belongs to r minus. You will get open interval minus 3 comma 9. So your a is minus 3, b is 9. So now if you calculate a square plus b square, it is 3 square 9 and 9 square 81. So the answer will be 90, students. So answer for this question is 90. In this way you can approach for this question. Now let us do, students, question number 24. So here we need to find summation r from 1 to 20 modulus of root of pi times integral 0 to r x times modulus of sin pi x dx. So what I will do, I will just take this integral and I will solve it so that I will get a simplest form. So I will define, let I of r be integration 0 to r x times modulus sin of pi x times dx. Applying King's rule, I will get I of r as integral 0 to r minus x modulus. This will become r minus x, means this will become pi r minus x, right? So it will become same only. Then you will get IR plus IR as 2 IR, which is nothing but integration from 0 to r. X minus x get cancel. This is r times modulus of sin pi x times dx. Right? Then this is nothing but you will get I of r equals to r upon 2 integration from 0 to r modulus of sin pi x times dx. So now if I calculate I1, this will be 1 upon 2 integration 0 to 1 modulus of sin pi x dx. Then it is nothing but 1 upon 2 pi integration 0 to pi modulus sin t dt. If you calculate this, you will get answer as 1 upon 2 pi into 2. Similar process if you apply, you will get I1 as 1 upon 2 pi into 2. You will get I2 as 2 upon 2 pi into 4. You will get I3 as 3 upon 2 pi into 6. So on up to you will get I20 as 20 upon 2 pi into 40. If you substitute there, you need to calculate the sum, right? So see, first will become, if you substitute in the first, it will become pi into I1, right? Square root of pi into I1. So it will become what? Under root of pi. I1 is 1 upon 2 pi into 2. So it will become 1. Second will become pi into I2. So it will become what? Pi into, see this is 2 upon 2 pi into 4. Right? So see pi get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Root 4 2. Second is 2, first is 1, so third will be 3, fourth will be 4. So on up to 20th will be 20. Sum of first 20 natural numbers will be what? 20 into 21 by 2, which is nothing but 210. So answer for this question is 210. So in this way you can approach for this question. Now students, let us take question number 25. So here they have given, you have a theta which belongs to the interval 0 to pi by 2 open, eccentricity and length of latus rectum of hyperbola x square minus y square sec square theta equal to 8 be E1 and L1 respectively. Let eccentricity and length of latus rectum of ellipse x square sec square theta plus y square equal to 6 be E2 L2 respectively, such that E1 square equals to E2 square into sec square theta plus 1. Now they are asking what is L1 L2 upon E1 into tan square theta. So first let us take hyperbola x square minus y square sec square theta equals 8. So this is nothing but what? Divide through by 8, x square upon 8 minus y square upon 8 cos square equal 1. This is standard hyperbola now. So what will be the eccentricity students? E1, it is under root of 1 plus b square upon a square. 8 cos square upon 8 means cos square. Right? And then length of the latus rectum L1 will be 2b square upon a. A means what? A square is 8. So a means root 8 means 2 root 2. Means you will get L1 as 4 root 2. 2 4s are 2 by root 2 is root 2. So 2 4 root 2 into cos square theta. Now let us go for ellipse. So for ellipse, you have standard ellipse as here x square sec square theta plus y square as 6. Dividing throughout by 6, you will get this as x square upon 6 cos square theta plus y square upon 6 equals to 1. Then eccentricity E2, it will be under root of 1 minus, here 6 cos square is less than 6, so 6 cos square upon 6 means cos square. Under root of 1 minus cos square, under root of sin square means E2 is sin. And then L2 will be 2 times a square upon b. So you will get 2 times 6 cos square theta upon root 6. So from here you will get value of L2 to be 2 root 6 cos square theta. Okay, we got what is L1, what is L2, what is E1, what is E2, but we need to find what is theta now. So for that they have given the relation E1 square. E1 square means 1 plus cos square theta equals E2 square. E2 is sin, so it's square, and sec square theta plus 1 means 1 upon cos square plus 1. If you take LCM, it is 1 plus cos square upon cos square, right? So here 1 plus cos square, 1 plus cos square get cancelled, so you will get tan square theta as 1. So you directly got tan square theta as 1. So now if you find L1 L2 upon E1 E2 into tan square theta. Tan square theta is clearly 1, right? So this is nothing but L1 L2 E1 E2. If you substitute, you will get answer as 8. So in this way you can approach for this question. Yes students, so this is the paper solution for 20th January 2026 JEE Mains examination for shift 1. And thank you so much for watching it. Thank you.